What's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you the classic song from Dirty Dancing. I've had the time of my life. This song is not very hard, really, but we do have a bar chord, so it's not for beginners. And then we got some weird stuff happening over the verse that we gotta figure out. But otherwise, it's a pretty simple song. Alright, so it starts slow. It's an E major. First finger, second finger, third finger. C sharp minor. To D major. A. C sharp, D. Let's do that again. And here starts the fast part, okay? E major. Okay, so now over that E, the bass stays on the E. We want to try to hit a D major over that E. Kind of play E a little bit. Hit the E major. D major, play the low E and E major. D major, play the E. E major. Here comes the pre-chorus. A9, second finger, third finger, D, G string, to G major, A, B, this kind of B, just 2, 4, 4, and open B and E string. Chorus. C sharp to D. E major. C sharp to D. And B. Second verse. D major. That's the whole song, guys. So basically 3 parts. The chorus: E major, C sharp, D, E major, C sharp, D, and end on the B. And this is not a B major or B minor, it's just a B. It has no major third or minor third. Okay, and then we have the intro is the same as the chorus. And then we have the verses with a D playing E over that. If we had a bass player, we wouldn't have to play that E. And then the pre-chorus. A9, G, A9, and then B. Cool. There it is. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow with more great musical hits. Be safe.